Are you looking for the top home business in 2025? If you are, stick with me. I'll share the simple, high income, low cost business opportunity that you can work from home or anywhere else you want to be to make more money in just minutes a day. And I will explain why this is the fastest growing home business. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. And I've been making money from home full time for over 20 years. And it's not just about the money, it's for the time freedom too. See, I ski most days in the winter and I sail most days in the summer while I'm making money. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making money from home. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So here's what has made this the top home business, why it's the one you should start today. First, it's affordable. At just $10 a month, anyone can afford to get started here. And it's super simple too. Anyone can do this home business. It's all done online. You can put the time in whenever it's convenient for you, even if it's at 3 in the morning. And again, we're only talking minutes a day. This is ideal for busy people. You can get paid weekly by direct deposit and earn monthly residual or passive income too. There are no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. This home business is an international opportunity. I'm having people all over the world team up with me. It comes with a powerful marketing system that is already set up. You do not need to create anything. Websites, follow-up emails are done for you. The system does the heavy lifting. And even beginners can have massive success. Many new people start making money their very first day. This business has a unique compensation plan where you can even earn without recruiting anyone. And you do not need a marketing budget to do this. We will show you free strategies to get lots of people looking at your business and joining up with you. Excellent training and support are provided. Your previous skills or experience do not matter. And I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. So, to learn more about the top home business in 2025 and to start making money today, take our online tour at wannalivebetter.com.